Here's how to add a hyperlink on PowerPoint, step by step. I'm opening the presentation and jumping to the slide where the link needs to sit. I'm on slide 2, and I'll use this subtitle text as the clickable item. Click once on the text box, then drag across the words you want linked. The selection highlight is the only thing PowerPoint will turn into the link, so don't skip it. With the text selected, go to the top ribbon and click Insert. That swaps the toolbar. Now click Link in the Links group. On some versions, this button says Hyperlink, and it does the same thing. The Insert Hyperlink dialog opens. I prefer this route over the right-click menu because on a few installs, the right-click hyperlink option is buried or missing completely. In the dialog, the left side lists link destinations. Make sure existing file or web page is selected, it's the top option. The text to display field at the top already shows the selected words. You can change that here if you want different wording. I'll leave it as is. Now click inside the address box at the bottom and type the full web address. I'm using support.apple.com/iPhone. Don't paste the URL into the slide text itself because that won't become a clickable link. If you copied the address from a browser, paste it here, then check for extra spaces. PowerPoint will not trim them for you. Click OK. The dialog closes and the text changes color and gets an underline. That's the visual cue that the link is live. Hold Control on your keyboard or Command on a Mac and click the link text. It opens in your default browser. Go back to PowerPoint, select a different piece of text or a shape. I'm using this button shape on the same slide. Go back to the Insert tab, click Link. This time choose Place in this document on the left. The panel shows every slide in your deck. Pick the target slide. I'm choosing slide 4. Click OK. Press Shift plus F5 to start the slideshow from this slide. Click the button and it jumps to slide 4. Press Escape to go back. I use this for agenda items and navigation buttons. If you delete slide 4 later, the link goes dead, so keep that slide in the deck. Select the email address text on your slide. Go to the Insert tab. Click Link. Choose email address in the left sidebar. Type the address into the email address field. I'm typing hello@yourcompany.com. PowerPoint fills in the email prefix and colon for you. You don't type that part. I'll add a subject line, question about services. Click OK. Hold Control or Command and click the linked email. Your default mail app opens with that subject already filled. If nothing opens, there's no default email program set up. Close that and go back to PowerPoint. Right-click any linked text and choose Edit Hyperlink. The same dialog opens. The existing file or web page option is where you would link to a file on your computer. I don't use that for decks you're emailing because the address bar shows a path to your own machine. When the deck opens on someone else's computer, the link dies. Replace it with a web link or embed the file on a slide instead. You can also choose Remove Hyperlink from that right-click menu to strip the link completely. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people searching for the same thing.